Hi. Hi, so I'm going to an event and I don't know why, but I am super nervous. I'll try to vlog whatever I can because the last time I tried to vlog, it didn't work well. It was ugly. I was ugly. So I hope today will go smoothly because it hasn't been so far, so I'm kind of anxious about what's to come, but
何ベジータの名シーン再現してんだ
kenapa ramai? Kita dah sampai. Nak cek parking. Harap jumpa. Kat bawah tu. Banyak je kat mana dekat. So kita kiranya memang parking dia sama level semua, tapi what? Betul tersadung. Dah sampai. Setelah kesusahan dah berpeluh dah. Dah nak jumpa jalan balik. Oh. Boleh lah.
Obviously for light skin.
That is like the ashiest thing ever.
Yep. Oh, I thought it would be like.
Nampak kan dia sebab dia memang untuk stay on your lips. So kalau macam tu kan nanti dia tarik balik kan. Cermin kat situ.
Tak sampai.
Sorry.
Tak rasa apa? My tongue yang rasa macam tu.
Sedap kan? Ni cantik. Try yang tu ke?
Mana? Ni?
Cantik kan?
Haa. I thought it would be like very yang macam ni lah. Ini. Oh ni.
Kalau untuk summer cantik lah. Kalau untuk sekarang tak sesuai kot. Macam kisah. Tu lip topper.
Cantik.
Dia macam silver kan?
Oh.
Silver blue kan? Ada yang macam pink, lepas tu ada macam gold.
Dia macam chunky sikit.
Kenapa? Nak ni. Kering juga. Tunggu dia nak start. Mira, tolong.
I think sometimes physical color is more important than knowing what actually matters. But today it's just for your knowledge.
Oh man, I look crusty AF.
And it's New Year 2019 with base makeup, and on the half side of the face, we have already applied the eyeshadow and also the makeup products on her skin. It's really lightly, you take the coral shade, apply on the entire eyelid, and you can play around with mono eyeshadow, which is you can put it like slightly deeper on the bottom of the eyelids. Just for this Chinese New Year, because for the eye area we've already applied coral shade and also with a hint of red shade. So for the lip color, we are done with the whole makeup look. So do you think the model is pretty? Do you like the makeup look? Yeah, this is lip lacquer that she's tried on just now. There's 5 colors inside, and if you're a member with our membership app, you get a 20% for the mini set. It's 80 ringgit, there's 5 colors inside. And the 5 colors is the red velvet color, which is the main color for this lip lacquer. And on top of that, if you purchase any Piglet collection, it's limited edition, so you can put all your Piglet collection into this pouch. Yep. And last but not least, I'll announce the lucky draw winner.
So, habang ni nak makan sebenarnya.
Thank you so much.
Hi. 017.
017. Okay, sure.
Alright.
That's your
Okay,
bill.
thank you.
Voucher murah. Liza Pachipala. Okay. Macam, damn, she's so pretty. So pretty, so lovely, so everything.
I was just looking at her face.
Six
It's like,
and
oh my
six.
god.
Lagi makan. Tapi sekarang makanan dekat mana?
Dia merata sebenarnya.
Kita cari directory. Lahat tanya sushi kan kat mana? Dude, where is everything? We are lost. Tu Texas chicken. Dah sana lah kot.
Sushi cake, sushi cake, sushi cake.
Buat haul dulu. Kita tengok kita dapat apa. Dan ni dapat seorang salah.
My favorite colour. Sumpah my favorite colour.
Klasik. Sama. Dia macam peach colour.
Itu kot yang dia bagi.
PK010.
Do the
Ding
MA.
ding 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 ding. Teng 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 ding ding ding. Tak ada dengan my barang juga. Tu yang penuh tu.
Tak. Dia ada glitter-glitter kat atas ni.
Kenapa ada bau?
Banyaknya. Wow.
Hello sayangku. Hello sayang Mira.
Banyak juga dia punya ramen lah. Banyak ni. Oh, tempat ni kalau makan ramen kat tempat ni dia tak best sangat. Rasa dia sedap tapi kuantiti dia sikit. Tak tahu pening kepala.
Ancur.
Hari tu ada this businessman from Korea.
Muka dah crusty ni dah boleh balik dah kot.
Buka crusty satu. Satu lagi. Satu lagi.
Mata.
Satu lagi. Yes.
Mata dah penat.
Contact lens dah.
Cepat buat.
Oh.
You know when you've been wearing your contact lens all day, so your eyes becomes super dry. Sambil buat laundry. this it? Here? Bodoh ya saya.
Kau tak tiba dia bunyi tengah-tengah. Pip 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 pip. Bukan dia tak nampak signboard, dia nampak dia tak ada signboard pun dia macam tu. Especially kalau time dia tengah nak press song.
Sebab ini orang nak masuk U-turn. Masuk U-turn lah. Nak buat U-turn. Oh man. Already looks so disgusting. So I guess this is a mini haul. Let's see what I got today. This is just a bag that I already had, so less plastic and save the earth. Am I right? First is this freebie that we got from the event itself. It's in this cute little paper bag. An eyeshadow, PK010. Yeah. So this is how it looks. It's cute. And we also got a 10% off coupon, but it's only valid for like a week. So yeah, a coupon. And then I didn't buy anything there, but it was actually quite fun. And I bought this setting spray from Into It. I also got conditioner, hair conditioner, Catrice concealer in shade 020. So that's it. It's a small haul, but so that's it for today's vlog, and bye.